Hey guys, welcome to the course on writing Excel macros. People who are already enrolled in the course understand the power of Excel. For those who are still wondering why Excel macros, let's look at some points to understand it better. Excel is much more than creating tables. More than having data in a couple of rows and columns, Excel can be helpful in creating graphs, charts, and analyzing the data. With increasing data analytics demand, Excel comes in very handy and useful with its inbuilt capabilities and easy connectivity with third party applications. Other similar tools are either not as good as Excel or are difficult to use in restricted environment. However, easy accessibility makes Excel the first choice. Imagine we will not only learn the most powerful tool in MS Office but also automate it using macros. Excited to learn macros? Let's quickly have a look at prerequisites and expectations from this course. Prerequisites. None. This course will start from beginner level and gradually teach you to master the art. Now let's talk about the expectations from this course. We will start with the introduction to macros. We will write a hello world program. Next we'll go to automating Excel formulas. We will try to see how we can automate using VBA the inbuilt capabilities of Excel. Then we will use database operations. We'll try to connect to different database and perform operations like select, update, insert, and delete operations on database. Then we will try to control applications other than Excel from Excel. We will take an example of browser and we'll try to automate a website using Excel. Let's talk a little bit about myself. I am Shubham Saxena. I try to learn new technologies and also train people on different technologies. I am a software consultant by profession. Also, I'm a part-time trainer both online and offline.